stairwell of a Santa Cruz motel sits a man on the landing fast asleep in a pile of Skittles and piss. Now kids, dig this, there's some shit going on. There's a trailer park, don't get caught there after dark, about a mile below the hydroelectric dam. They run every kind of scam from Surabaya to Suriname. Man, there's some shit going on. Well, I'm the shit that happens, the shit that will always be. A different day, the same shit they say. Why does everybody wanna crucify me? There's a dive bar, and it ain't too far. It sits in desperation all alone. There's an alley out back where there's an attack. I think there's some shit going on. There's a filling station, it's your salvation. Jesus might be rolling by real soon, howling like a loon way down in the gloom. I believe there's some shit going on. The shit that will always be. A different day, the same shit they say. That's why everybody wants to crucify.